Welcome to JH. Today, we are going to examine how to identify if you have been blocked on Gmail. Navigating the complexities of online communication often leads to uncertainty when messages go unanswered. Whether it is a professional inquiry or a private message, the digital world offers various ways for users to filter their inboxes, including the option to block. If you have ever wondered if your emails are simply being ignored or are lost in space, this guide is designed for you. First, let's go directly to your Gmail account. Start by opening your inbox. While this is a basic step, it is vital for reaching the specific settings we need to check. Once you are logged in, take a moment to look over the interface. Gmail is generally easy to use, but being familiar with the layout will help you move through these steps more efficiently. Next, move your cursor to the grid icon found in the top right-hand corner of the page. This icon acts as a portal to all the Google applications and services connected to your account. Clicking this will open a menu showing various options. From this list, your next task is to find and click on Contacts. Although it might seem separate from your email, Google's integration ensures your Gmail contacts are easily searchable here. After clicking, you will be sent to your Google Contacts page. This is the core of our check. Use the search bar at the top to look for the specific person's name. If their information does not appear in the results, it is a very strong indicator that you may be blocked. It is important to remember a few details. However, a missing contact could also mean the person has deleted their Google account or never had one to begin with. Nevertheless, for Gmail users, a hidden contact is a significant sign. If you believe you are blocked but still need to communicate, consider using a different platform. It is always possible that an email was accidentally filtered or overlooked, so a different method might get a better result. At the same time, always respect the boundaries people establish online. To conclude, while Gmail does not send a notification when you are blocked, this strategy provides a reliable way to check your status. The digital landscape can be complicated, but with the right knowledge, it becomes much easier to navigate. Understanding where you stand allows you to choose the best way to move forward. Thank you for joining me. Whether you are dealing with a professional matter or a personal one, I hope this guide helps you understand your position in another person's inbox.